Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet the shell stitch, which looks pretty much the same on both sides. Start with the chain 32, or any multiple of 6 plus 2. Skip the first chain and single crochet in the next chain, and single crochet in each of the next 5 chains, for a total of 6 single crochet stitches. Then chain 2. Skip 1 chain and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2. Skip 1 chain and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2. Skip 1 and continue with this same pattern across the row. At the end, you'll have 6 chains remaining. In these last 6 chains, make 1 single crochet stitch in each. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here's our row 1, which, as you notice, we began with 6 single crochet and ended with 6 single crochet, then had 5 in the middle throughout. For row 2, we'll start with the chain 3 and turn. Make 3 double crochet stitches in this first stitch. If you count the chain 3 as a stitch, you'll end up with a total of 4 double crochet. Take note of the 5 stitches. In the third or middle stitch, make a single crochet. Then in that previous chain 2 space, make 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 7. Then in the third of the previous 5 stitches, make a single crochet. In the next chain 2 space, make 7 double crochet stitches. And then a single crochet in the middle stitch. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, you'll have 6 stitches remaining. Place a single crochet in the third stitch. Then in the last stitch, make 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these 4 stitches match the 4 we began the row with. For row 3, I'm changing colors, but you can use the same one. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the first 2 stitches. In the previous single crochet between the shells, make a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. Then over the next 7 double crochet, find stitches 3, 4, and 5. We're going to make a single crochet in stitch number 3, 4, and 5. And then in our previous single crochet, we're going to do the V stitch again, consisting of a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. And then we'll do our 3 single crochet stitches again, along the top of the previous 7 double crochet shell. And we'll repeat our V stitch again in between the previous shells. We'll continue this pattern across the row. At the end, we'll place 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. We'll end our row the way we started. Now for row 4, we'll chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in the first stitch, Then our 7 double crochet stitches all in that chain 2 space from the previous row. And a single crochet in the second or the middle of those 3 previous stitches, followed by our 7 double crochet stitches again. And a single crochet in the middle again. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, we'll place a single crochet in the very last stitch. For row 5, we'll begin with the chain 3 and turn our work. Then we add 1 more chain to serve as a V-stitch and a double crochet. We're only using 1 chain to help make it straighter along the edge. Single crochet along stitches 3, 4, and 5 of the shell's double crochet stitches. Then we do our V-stitch in the middle of the shells, consisting of 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. And then our 3 single crochet stitches again. Continue with this pattern across the row. As on every row, we'll end the way we began. In the very last stitch, place a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet in it. For row 6, chain 3 and turn. This row is going to be somewhat similar to our row 2. Make 3 double crochet stitches in the same space. In the second or middle stitch, make a single crochet. In the chain 2 space, make 7 double crochet stitches. And single crochet in the middle of the 3 stitches. As before, at the end of this row, we'll end like we started. In the last stitch, make 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the rest of this stitch pattern, you'll repeat rows 3, 4, 5, and 6 for as long as you wish. And that's how I crochet the shell stitch.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.